Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Flanger. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Flanger node and discussing its functionality. For those of you who are unfamiliar with what a flanger is, this is an effect that is achieved by duplicating an audio signal and then sweeping the delay time of the second signal back and forth ever so slightly. This will cause varying degrees of phase cancellation in the processed signal and can cause some very interesting effects. On the node itself, we have a few controls to adjust this effect to taste. The first input we have is our modulation rate. This controls the speed of that back and forth delay sweep. The modulation depth controls the range of the back and forth motion. The center delay controls how much delay time there is between the original audio signal and the duplicated audio signal. You can also think of this as the midpoint of that back and forth sweep. The last input we have is our mix level. This is a 0 to 1 value and defines how the original audio signal and our duplicated audio signal will be blended back together. 0 is full dry signal, or only the original signal. 1 will be the full wet signal, or only the delayed signal. And 0.5 is a balanced mix of the two. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.